I don't feel so good. Oh dear, it's carried the bus's service today. Can you handle that, Mechanicals? Is everything okay? Huh? What was that noise? It's okay. I feel a bit better now. Huh? Looks like the Mechanicals have it all under control. Great job, everyone. Hello, everyone. It's busy today. Baby Truck and Max the monster truck need a tyre change. But where's Max? Oh, hello, Max. Go, go, Mechanicals. Yellow! No! Yellow's gone and bumped her head. So it's over to you, Blue and Red. Spinning screwdrivers! Come on, Yellow! Looks like the tyres got mixed up. It's okay. We all make mistakes. We just need to swap the tyres back. Oh, don't worry, Max. We'll soon sort this out. Yuck! Oh. Baby Truck, we know you're having fun, but they're Max's tyres. Shall we give them back to him now? Oh, well done, Baby Truck. It's important to always give things back after you borrow them. See you again soon. Bye! Come on, Blue. I think it's time for bed. Good night, Mechanicals. Huh? Bobby, what are you doing here so late? Oh dear, you need a new wheel. I can fix that, but we need to be quiet. Huh? Oh. Phew, that was a close one. done, Bobby. Good night. Perhaps I'll just sit down for a moment. Garage! It's a lovely sunny day, so Red's heading up to the roof. He's going to finish fitting our new solar panels. They'll soak up the sun's energy and turn it into clean power for the whole garage. Hello, Bobby. Whoa! Look at you. You're all dirty, and we only cleaned you yesterday. Never mind. Splish, splash, splosh. Activate Gecko's car wash. All clean and ready to hit the road, Bobby. Oh, you're dirty again. How did that happen? I think we're going to have to wash you by hand. Squeaky clean. You can get back to your bus route, Bobby. That's what's making you dirty. Your messy old petrol engine. How would you like a clean electric engine instead? Are the solar panels ready? The panels take energy from the sun, giving Bobby clean power for him to run. We'll see. Oh, hello everyone. Me and Blue were just heading out to get a Christmas tree for the garage. Oh, it's Bobby the bus. He's stuck. Oh. This hot chocolate will warm you up. Don't worry, Bobby. We'll soon get you unstuck. Oh. It's no good. Unhook us, Blue. We'll try something else. Oh no! Now Tilly is stuck in the snow. Oh dear, Blue. It looks like we're stuck too. Don't be sad, Blue. Someone will help us. At least we have this hot chocolate to keep us warm. Oops! Look! The hot chocolate melted the snow. I have an idea! Hee! It worked! Hang on, Bobby. You're welcome, Bobby. But what are we going to do with this fallen tree? Aha! Perfect! Merry Christmas, everyone! Happy Halloween! It's all right, Mechanicals. It's just me, Gecko. Huh? Wait a minute. What's that funny noise? There it is again. I hope it's not a spooky Halloween ghost. Phew. Whatever it was, I think it's gone. Oh no, Mechanicals. I think the garage might be haunted. Blue. Wait a minute. Blue, move forward. The noise only happens when you move. No need to panic, shake and shriek. It's just Blue's wheel that has a squeak. A squirt of oil will help you most. And we can say, goodbye, ghost. Phew, panic over. Now we can go trick-or-treating. Happy Halloween, everyone. Today's a very special day. It's Baby Truck's first visit to our garage. So we want to give her an extra special Gecko's Garage welcome. Hello, Baby Truck. Are you nervous? It's okay. You're in safe hands. Right, Mechanicals? Ah! Huh? Baby Truck! Wait! Oh no! We've frightened Baby Truck away! Don't worry, Mummy Truck. We'll find her. Quick, Mechanicals! We need to find Baby Truck! Poor Baby Truck. Where could she be? Huh? Are you hiding, Baby Truck? Is it because you're nervous? Guess what? Me too. It's your first time at the garage. We wanted to make your visit extra special. I'm sorry if we frightened you, but I promise we'll take extra special care of you. Is that okay? Garage doors open at speed. It's time to help a vehicle in need. Have an amazing day, Baby Truck. You are so brave. You're welcome, Baby Truck. It's Mummy Truck and Baby Truck. Why are you waiting out here? The tunnel's blocked and you can't get through? I'd better take a look. Whoa! There's been a cave-in. Another cave-in! We're trapped inside. Don't worry, I've got my toolkit. We're going to need a bigger toolkit. Not even Tilly's strong enough to move the rock. How are we going to get out? Wow! I didn't know you were so strong! Mummy Truck saved the day! I'd better call Eric the excavator to clear away all these rocks. Huh? Someone must be in trouble. Go, go, Tilly Tow Truck! It's Eric, the excavator! I think he's hit a rock. Look, he's broken his caterpillar trap. Oh, Blue, I know the storm is scary, but we need your help. Will you be brave for us? Oh, I can't reach! And I'm too big to fit through that gap. Huh? Oh dear, we need to be fast. I think that dam's going to overflow. Blue is small enough to fit under. Well done, Blue. You're being really brave. Oh no! The dam's going to collapse. Hurry, Blue. Oh, well done, Blue. You faced your fears. And look, a rainbow. We're just giving Bobby the bus his checkup. We're almost done. Wait! Mechanicals! I'm still up here! Bobby! Bobby! Oh dear, he can't hear me! Mechanicals! Quick! Do something! Look out! Here comes a bridge! Whoa! Spinning screwdrivers! Oh, look! A high bridge! Great idea, Mechanicals! If I can just grab hold... Missed! Now what? Oh. Whoa! Good thinking, Yellow. You saved the day. It's okay, Bobby. You didn't know, and nobody got hurt. Thank you for all your help, Mechanicals. What would I do without you? Fiona fire truck. What's the matter? your hose isn't working. Let's take a look. Don't you worry, Fiona. We'll soon get you fixed. I'll get my best wrench. What? Come on, mechanicals. Give me a hand, please. Are you all right, Yellow? Well, I think that's the problem fixed. Vicky, the ice cream truck, is in for her repairs. We're just doing a few finishing touches. Thanks, Yellow. Could I please have a screwdriver? Careful, mechanicals. That pipe is full of ice-cold air. It's how Vicky freezes her ice cream. What? Yellow! Don't touch that button! Phew! Thanks, mechanicals. You saved me. Now, let's finish fixing Vicky. Thanks, Vicky. What? It's Baby Truck. What's that, Baby Truck? You've lost your dummy. Don't be upset. We'll find it for you. Go, go, mechanicals! Try looking by those red flowers. Can you see anything? What about that green hedge? Can you see anything there? It must be here somewhere. I'm sorry, baby truck. I can't find your dummy anywhere. Blue! Well done! You found it! Here you go, baby truck. Eric the excavator's in for his service. We have to check he's fit and healthy for all the digging he does. Who wants to help? I think I'll choose yellow. I know you want to play, but I think you'll have just as much fun working in the garage. We'll start by checking your engine, Eric. Let's have a nice loud rev. You can do better than that, Eric. Ooh, 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 ooh. Hey! Great catch, Yellow. Time to test your caterpillar tread. That's part of the service, Eric. Let's see how your digger arm's working. Ooh! Needs a spot of oil, Yellow. Well done, Eric. You've passed your service, so you're all ready for lots more digging. Do you want to go and join them, Yellow? I told you work could be fun. It's a quiet day today. We're just doing some spring cleaning. Ah! What on earth was that noise? Bobby the bus? You don't look well at all. Come on, let's take a look at you. Oh dear, Bobby's not well at all. Let's see if we can work out what's wrong. Maybe your radiator needs water. Go! Go, mechanicals! Ow! No, that's not it. Wait a minute. Oh. Aha! Poor Bobby has an oil leak. Oil keeps the engine running smoothly. We can fix that. We found the source of your gripe. There's an oil leak from your pipe. Green will make your hole shut tight by welding with sparks so bright. A plaster will keep your ouchie clean. Hooray! Well done, Blue. Well done, Green. Are you feeling better, Bobby?